Hey, this is Sing, and today I'm gonna build another model kit. It is Gundam Avalanche Exia. Let's begin. And here it is, Gundam Avalanche Exia. We got the parts, and we got the manual. Let's begin building it. And here it is, Gundam Avalanche Exia. We got the weapons, the saber, some of the hands, a stand. Let's look at the mecha. Similar to Exia, but more full armory thing. Plus it has this leg extension. No, not leg extension, like a armor feet. And it kind of looks like more like a samurai in a way. But it's a really interesting build. Overall, it was an interesting build. Would recommend getting it. Thank you for watching. You guys have a nice day.